Hello everyone, I'm Ejere Kelvin Yoboa and welcome to BiasScope. Okay, so BiasScope, right, is a bias detection tool that is web-based. Okay, so it's a web-based application that's designed to identify and mitigate biased language and text, promoting inclusive communication. Okay, so it basically leverages on rule-based detection and AI-powered toxicity. Okay, to flag biased terms, suggest neutral alternatives, and provide data reports. Okay, so the tool also supports real-time scanning. Okay, it also has PDF text extraction, scan history, and PDF exporting. Okay, offering a distraction-free experience with automatic bias detection. Okay, so users can easily type and paste. Okay, so now let me just move straight to how it works. Okay, so first of all, you paste or upload. For how as I mentioned, it takes PDF or it takes raw text. Okay, PDF. So after uploading, the AI does analysis and gets suggestions. So this is a live demo of BiasScope. You're going to do a live demo of ourselves, but that's how it's going to look like before we get to it. So as I mentioned earlier, this is to help address the UNSDG 5 and the UNSDG 10. That's gender equality and reduce inequalities. Okay, so BiasScope is going to help us reduce that or tackle that. Okay, so let's just get it right by scanning our first text. Okay, so you just hit the start scanning now, and then it brings you to the main interface. Right, so uncover hidden biases in your content. Okay, that's what the main interface is about, where you actually paste and get results. Okay, so you can detect gender, racial, cultural biases using the TensorFlow.js model. Okay, and as I mentioned earlier, align with the UNSDG 5. That's to remove gender to promote gender equality and remove the inequalities as well. Alright, so I'm going to do a quick demo here. So let's paste something. Alright, so I've pasted the text and you can see automatically the suggestions are made down there. Okay, so when you hover on it, you can get the suggestions instantly, right? But then when you scroll down, right, you're going to see the detailed one there. Okay, so we have the detailed one down here. So let's look at some. So for my text, right, I use a term called I use the word aggressive. Okay, but then the AI has suggested me to use the term, right? So it's categorized all the biases into culture or gender, all those kind of stuff, and gives the limit of it. Okay, so this is gender and it is high. So for strong man, I use it, give me strong candidate. It's also gender and high. So for he also gave me day, it's also gender but medium. Okay, so for rockstar, it gave me a suggestion of experts. It's also a cultural bias, but then this is low. Okay, so basically this is what BiasScope is about. This is the interface, and we are seeking to address the UNSDG 5. You can export your reports and download it. You can also copy it easily. Okay? So the export gives you a PDF. So thank you very much for your time.